Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter division fluency, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are division facts up to 12, division facts up to 12 true or false, division facts up to 12 find the missing number, division sentences up to 12 true or false. So let's just start with the lesson. So we are already working on the division. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So we are already working on the chapter, so you already know how to divide, right? So today we're going to learn division facts up to 12, right? Okay, so 6 divided by 2. How do you divide 6 by 2? 6 divided by 2. So you need to count a table of 2 until you get 6, right? So when we are working on the division and multiplication are opposite to each other, right? You need to count a table of 2 until 6. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So that means when you divide 6 by 2, that would be 3. Yes, hi everyone. So the basic thing is, before doing division you need to be perfect with multiplication, right? And you already know the multiplication tables. So if still you are not perfect with the multiplication tables, please make sure do one multiplication table daily and be perfect with the tables, right? Okay, let's just do another one. 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4 equals, you need to count a table of 4 until you get 12, right? So let's just count a table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, right? You can see when you count 4 until 12, so 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3, right? Hello everyone, can you hear me? Okay, the next one is 20 divided by 5. So how you divide 20 by 5? You need to count a table of 5 until 20. So 5 times what number is 20? How you divide 20 by 5? 5 times what number is 12? No one is answering. You need to count a table of 5 until 20, right? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. So the correct option is 4. When you divide 20 by 5, the correct option is 4, right? Okay, let's just do practice question. Let's just start with the lesson, that is division facts up to 12. So we are going to divide the numbers up to 12, right? So let's just start with the 10. No one is answering. Whenever we do questions related to division, no one is answering, right? That means you all need to learn multiplication tables, isn't it? Okay, 16 divided by 4 equals, which is the correct option? 4, 5, 6. Which option is the correct one? 4 times 4 makes 16. The correct option is 4. You need to count a table of 4. Hold on. 6 is 16. How? So I'm right. You guys need to be work on the tables, right? 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. So the correct option is 4, right? When you divide 16 by 4, the correct option is 4. But every day I repeat the same thing. No one is going to the tables. Okay, the next one is 20 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? 5 times what number is 20? The correct option is 5 times 4 is 20. The correct option is 4. When you count a table of 5 until 20, you will get 5 times 4 is 20. So the correct option is 4. 3 divided by 3 equals, the correct option is 3 times 1 is 3. The correct option is 1. You are already given the answers, right? Okay, the next one is 15 divided by 3. So you need to count a table of 3 until 15. So 3 times what number is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. The correct option is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So the correct option is 5, right? Okay, the next one is 25 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? 5 times what number is 25? Very good. 5 times 5 makes 25. The correct option is 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2 equals, 2 times what number makes 10? 10 divided by 2 is 5. The correct option is 5. 2 times 5 makes 10. So the correct option is 5. Okay, 4 divided by 4 equals 4 times what number is 4? 4 times 1 is 4. The correct option is 1. Okay, 6 divided by 3, which is the correct option? 482, which option is the correct one? The correct option is 2 3 times. 2 makes 6, so the correct option is 2. 9 divided by 3 equals, yes, I'm here. Can you hear me? Very good. 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is 3. I think you're lagging. The next one is 6 divided by 2. 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 4 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Very good. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is division facts up to 12. Find the missing number, I think. Let me see. Yes, that is, oh no, that is division facts up to 10, true or false, right? So you are given questions like this. You need to see if they are true or false. For example, you are given, you just have to check, right? 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Is it true or false? Which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Is it true or false? That is true, right? When you divide 4 by 2, 2 times 2 makes 4, right? The answer is 2, so that would be true, right? The next one is 16 divided by 4 equals 5. Is it true or false? Which is the correct option? Four times what number is 16? 4 times 4 makes 16, right? Not 4 times 5. 4 times 4 makes 16. So that is false, right? The correct option is 4. The answer must be 4, right? Let's just do practice questions from the lesson. Okay. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 divided by 1 equals true. Equals 2. It is true or false? When you divide any number by 1, the answer is always the same number, right? Either you divide 1 by the given number or any number by the 1. The answer must be the same number. 3 divided by 1 must equals 3. So that would be false. It would be 3. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. That would be false. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 27 divided by 9 equals 1. Is it true or false? You need to count a table of 9 until 27. 9 times 1 is 27. No, 9 times 3 is 27. So answer must be 3. This one is very good. That would be false. The correct option is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Is it the correct option? Which option is the correct one? 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Yes, that would be true. Very good. When you divide 15 by 3, the answer is 5. That would be true. Is the number sentence true or false? 15 divided by 3 equals 4. Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. That would be false. 15 divided by 3 equals 5, right? So that would be false. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 divided by 1 equals 1. Which is the correct option? 3 divided by 1 equals 1. Is it the correct one? The correct option is false, right? 3 divided by 1 must equals 3, right? So that would be false. The correct option is false. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Which is the correct option? 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Is it true or false? That would be very good. That is true. 7 divided by 7 is 1. That would be true. Very good. Is the number sentence true or false? 24 divided by 8 equals 4. Is it the correct one? The correct option is, I know, it's okay. 8 times 4 is 24. The correct option is true. Very good. I know F is for false and T is for true. Don't worry. False. 8 times 4 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. The correct option is 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 3 is 24. Sorry. Okay, the next one is 50 divided by 10 equals 5. Which is the correct option? True or false? The correct option is, it is true. Very good. The correct option is true. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Is it the correct one? The correct option is 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Yes, that would be true, right? Very good. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 divided by 1 equals 5. True or false? The correct option is true. Very good. It is true. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one, and next one is the one that in which you have to find the missing number, right? So we have already done in this lesson so many lessons in which you have to find the missing number. So let's just start with the next lesson. This isn't new. The next one is division facts up to 12, find the missing number, right? So one of the number is missing. You need to use the multiplication facts and you can find the number, right? Just look at the first example, find the missing number. So what number divided by 5 equals 5? So let's just see how do we find the missing number, right? You need to find 25, right? We know that opposite to division is multiplication. So you need to divide, you need the missing number is the greater number, right? You need to find the greater number. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the divisor and the quotient, right? You need to do 5 times 5, and that would be 25. Opposite to multiplication is division, so just multiply the other two numbers. So 5 times 5 is 25. That means here you have the number 25, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. The correct option is 25. Got it? Okay, 20 divided by missing number equals 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, you have to find the divisor, right? You are given with the dividend, that is 20. You have to find you are given with the dividend, you need to find the divisor, right? So if you need to find the divisor, you need to divide this number by 5. You have to do 20 divided by 5 and you can find the other number, right? So 20 divided by 5 is 4, so that means that would be 4. Yes, that is 4. Very good. Okay, the next one is 4 divided by missing number equals 2. So which number is missing? Which is the correct option? 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The correct option is 2. Very good. Okay, fill in the missing number. 6 divided by what number equals 3? Which is the correct option? 6 divided by, very good, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, right? The correct option is 2. Find the missing number. So which number is missing? Now the greater number is missing. How do you find the greater number? For the smaller number, you have to divide. When you have to find the given greater number, you need to multiply the other two numbers, right? Yes, that you need to do 4 times 2. So that means 8 is missing, right? Dividend, when the dividend is missing, right? 8 is dividend, 4 is divisor. Just keep these terms in your mind. This one is like 8. 8 is dividend. That means is the number that need to be divided, right? Dividend. And 4 is the divisor. You are going to divide 8 by 4, and 2 is the quotient. Use, keep these terms in your mind, right? When dividend is missing, you need to multiply divisor and quotient, right? 2 times 4 is 8. The next one is 4 divided by missing number equals 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, very good, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So the correct option is 4. Okay, fill in the missing number. So the missing number divided by 2 equals 3. So again, now again the dividend is missing, right? When the dividend is missing, what you have to do? You need to multiply the, yes, that would be 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 16 divided by missing number equals 4. So which number is missing? The correct option is 16 divided by 4 equals 4. The correct option is 4, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is division sentences up to 12, true or false. So today we are going to complete the chapter division fluency, right? And still hardly 3 4 students are here to reply. So in the next, right after I think 1 or 2 chapters, we're going to start with the division, that is long division method, right? So please make sure until we start with long division method, you need to be perfect with the tables, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. So here you have to again see if both sides are equal. That means the sentence is true. Is the sentence true? 9 divided by 1 equals to, are they equal? The correct option is false. This is false, right? 9 divided by 1 is 9 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, though they are not equal, that would be false, right? Okay, the next one is the number sentence true or false? 8 divided by 4 and 10 divided by 5. Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, again, 4 times no. 8 divided by 4 and 10 equals 10 divided by 5. Is it true or false? Please write the answer one stop. 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. This one is true, not false. Both sides are exactly equal. That would be true. Okay, the next one is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 4 and 18 divided by 3. Is it true or false? The correct option is false, right? 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So that would be false. Both sides are not equal. That would be false. Okay, the next one is the number sentence true? 27 divided by 3 and 14 divided by 2, are they equal? 3 times 9 is 27 and 2 times 7 is 14. That would be false, not true. Because 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, 20 divided by 5 and 7 divided by 1. Is it true or false? Which option is the correct one? 20 divided by 5 is 4 and 7 divided by 5 is 7 divided by 1 is 7, right? So that would be false. The correct option is false. Okay, the next one is 20 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 2. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 times 5 is 20 and 2 times 4 is 8. That would be false. What's wrong with you guys? Stop behaving like this. F means false. Is the number sentence true or false? 10 divided by 5 equals 1 divided by 1. I am going to block you all. Block you from the channel. Right? You guys are here to learn, so just focus on the learning. That would be false. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 divided by 1 and 18 divided by 2. Which is the correct option? Jacob, stop. I said stop, Jacob. Now you can just listen. 9 divided by 1 is 9, 18 divided by 2 is also 9. That would be true. You guys are just wasting your time. And is the number sentence true or false? 10 divided by 1 equals 50 divided by 5. Which is the correct option? Is it true or false? The correct option is false. No, that this one is true. 10 divided by 1 is 10 and 50 divided by 5 is also 10. Is the number sentence true or false? 36 divided by 4 and 45 divided by 5. 4 times 9 is 36 and 5 times 9 is 45. That would be true. Okay, we are done with the lesson. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4, grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is division fluency. And the lessons we have covered today are division facts up to 12, division facts up to 12 true or false, division facts up to 12 find the missing number, division sentences up to 12 true or false, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework, right? As a homework you need to complete all the practice questions for the lessons we've covered today, right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. If you still need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Right? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. No questions? Please everyone behave like a good students. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.